Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 80090034 in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First solution is to disable firewall. So search for firewall in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Check this at both off and then click on OK to save the settings. So this has to be done temporarily. Once your job has been completed, return to the same page and turn it on and then click on OK. The second solution is to clear TPM. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command tpm.msc and hit enter. Click on clear TPM in the right pane and then you'll have to click on restart. It will restart the system and clear the TPM. The next solution is an SFC scan to fix broken and corrupt files on this computer. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. The last solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.